Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to factory reset any Android phone. Alright, let's begin. Before you reset your phone, make sure to back up your important data. A factory reset will erase your apps, photos, videos, accounts, and personal files. If you can access your phone, open Settings and go to System, General Management, or a similar menu depending on your Android device. Tap Reset, then select Factory Data Reset. Review what will be erased, tap Reset, and confirm to begin the process. If you can't find the option, use the search bar in Settings and search for Factory Reset. If your phone is locked, turn it off completely first. Then boot into recovery mode using the correct button combination for your device. On most Samsung phones, press and hold volume up and power. On Google Pixel, Motorola, OnePlus, Xiaomi, and many other Android phones, press and hold volume down and power. Release the buttons when the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight wipe data. Factory reset. Then press the power button to select it. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to finish. So that's basically how you can factory reset any Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks!